In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check your Apple Cash card number. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to use your virtual card number for Apple Cash to make purchases online anywhere that standard debit, Visa cards are accepted. So all that you have to do to check your Apple Cash card number is to open your wallet and then tap on your Apple Cash. So when you tap on your Apple Cash balance, you will be able to see your balance, the option to send a request, and the recent transactions. Now, if you tap the More button at the top right corner of the screen, as you can see these three dots, you will be able to find card number among the options. So tap on the three dots, card number, and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Immediately upon doing this, under virtual card number, you will see the full virtual card number, the expiration date, and the security code. And of course, this works for both iPhone and iPad. And you will be able to note down these numbers. Like I said previously, now you can proceed to checkout anywhere that standard Visa cards are accepted, and you will be able to input the full card number, the expiration date, and the security code. If you don't already have a virtual card number, you will get the option to request a card, and you should be able to find it there. You will be able to issue payments using this virtual card number anywhere that Apple Pay is not accepted yet. So even if Apple Pay or Apple Cash doesn't show up as a payment method, you can still choose the option to pay using a debit or credit card and proceed from there. It is incredibly simple. If you have an Apple credit card instead, you will also be able to find it. So go over to the Apple credit card instead, tap the three dots, and once again choose the option to view your card details or card number. Regardless of which option you pick, either the recently launched Apple debit card for Apple Cash or the Apple credit card, you will be able to find the virtual card number in full. I hope I was able to help you on how to check your Apple Cash card number. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.